What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Alright, so today we're gonna head to Tokyo Tower to go see that. Pretty much that's like the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower of Tokyo. And it's like a legendary spot.
That should bring it.
Picking up the pieces that you left behind.
Guys, so we just hopped off the subway and now we are in front of the Tokyo Tower. I'm about to show it to you. Boom! There you go. Like I said earlier, it's like Tokyo's version of the Eiffel Tower, only it's a little different. This is actually like a communications tower, so you see those electric lines coming down from it. I'm guessing that's just different broadcasting places to these different buildings. I really don't know. We can go inside of it. I don't know if we're about to do that, but this is the Tokyo Tower.
When you be acting the way you do, water's getting deep, and when he doesn't give you the satisfaction that you need, don't you call on me. Oh na na na, don't you call on me, oh na na na, you better back up off of me.
Fucking huge. In comparison, my girlfriend and the tower. Cool. So this is inside the base of the Tokyo Tower. As you can see, these little souvenir shops. I'm about to grab a coffee real quick. Hopefully I can find a little miniature Tokyo Tower as a souvenir. I don't know how this man is doing this right now. It's pure magic. Go ahead. I gotta see it. Oh. Don't mess up now. Oh, that was epic. Oh, that was so cool. It's pure magic. This is the second floor of the Tokyo Tower. More little towers. Just gotta find the right one. Oh, I think I found the right one over here. Oh yeah. I think this is the one I need right here. Oh yeah. See how heavy it is. It's pretty good. The Tokyo Tower has its own water. Pretty crazy. So we turned a corner and of course we ran into the Hello Kitty section of the Tokyo Tower and Asia went completely bananas. Been here for about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, it's dope, baby. That's really cute. Yeah. That's what happens every time we're in a mall or any place that has Hello Kitty. I think Hello Kitty has a spell over all Japanese women. Pretty sure. Alright guys, so I messed up. The Tokyo Tower that I bought originally doesn't have shit on this Tokyo Tower that I'm about to buy right now. This one's way fire. Yeah, gonna have to cop that. Sorry. Alright guys, so I bought the really dope Tokyo Tower that you saw earlier, and then I bought one of these. What are these called? What's the correct name for this? Just a poster? A felt poster? Mine's has a better color than this. This one said it was faded. It's been here for like 4 years, but yeah, I bought this just for the room or something. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you too much.
Alright. Alright, on to the next adventure. Alright, so we're still inside the Tokyo Tower. Right now we're getting a self-portrait drawn of us. So he's using, I guess that's chalk. Stuff like that. Asia's getting hers done, so she has to stay really still right now. But I'm gonna get mine and then I will show you guys the finished product. So we just got our picture drawn. I'm about to show you guys it. That's what we look like right now, I guess. I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah,
did a good job. Alright, so from the looks of it, looks like we're getting close to the Babe store. As you can see right here, this man is completely fitted out in all bathing ape. We must be very close. Coming up, we should see it any second now. I think I see it. I do see it. Oh, it's legendary. Oh my god. I'm not gonna go too crazy in here. Probably just gonna cop a shirt. Who knows? This is gonna be bad on the pockets. I feel it already. Oh man. The Bape store. It's fucking fire. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're about to go in, guys. This is a lot to take in, so here we go. Boom. Fire. Oh my god. The stroller. It's fire. Oh my god. Bro. Damn. Dude, growing up seeing like Pharrell, fucking Clips, all them guys in this shit, it inspired me a lot. So this is a big deal for me to be here right now. Oh man. So since it's kind of the end of the day, they have new items in stock every Saturday, and right now the stock is kind of low, so we're gonna try to come back tomorrow and get something. Because right now they only had like maybe one shirt that I would probably rock. But that shirt wasn't even like in a color. I only have like one pair of shoes that would go with it. So I'd rather just wait until tomorrow, since the items are super expensive anyway, and get something that I actually want and can wear with multiple things. So we just showed up to this restaurant. It's called Zao. So basically how it works is, I guess you just fish for whatever fish you want, and whatever you catch, they will cook for you. And they'll cook it however you want. So if you want it like buttered style or like sushi, sashimi style, pretty much that's how they'll do it. Another keynote that we may want to get right now is that I haven't fished in maybe about a good 8 years, so I'm kind of rusty. We'll see what happens though. Alright, here we go. Got my fishing line. About to drop in right now. Oh, it's hard. You took it?
Yeah, he took it.
He said the red ones are like the favorite, whatever.
Red ones?
Yeah, like the redder ones. I don't know.
Oh,
He told me to go for the red one, but whatever.
these guys?
Alright, so this is a lot more difficult than I anticipated. We haven't caught shit yet. Oh my god. Huh?
You want to go down there and see if it's any different?
I think it's different fish.
Yeah. What, you wanted the fish here?
I think these ones are bigger. That's why. But let me check it. Check it out.
2 hours later.
Alright, I'm just gonna sit you guys down here. Hopefully something happens. You caught one before me, guys. Feel less of a man. Jesus. She's feeding the family. I'm out here struggling. Oh my gosh. Wow. Grab it, babe. Grab it. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Poor fish. He's going through hell right now. Oh.
I feel so bad that it's dying.
Jesus, okay. We're gonna cut right now.
Yeah? You got it?
Boom. I caught my fish, finally. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, and this is a big one too. Wow.
You gotta tell him. I see my fan.
The struggle is real.
We'll tell him.
Oh my goodness.
Was it hard?
It's hard. It's super difficult. Look at this. Oh, look at it, guys. Caught my first fish. That was definitely a dope experience. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, you're supposed to clap.
So basically what just happened is I caught a fish and they congratulated me, and now we're gonna try to catch another fish that we can turn into like sushi or something. So that's the final outcome. Asia caught hers first, so she got hers first. But damn, it looks fire. Oh, I love this place. I haven't even took a sip of my drink yet. A lot going on here. We got,
So good.
those are the prawns right there. Oh snap. I feel so bad.
Head and then the salmon.
I feel like I knew them. The sashimi just came in.
It's all even.
Half my fish is here. All of Asia's fish is here. Got the edamame. It's going ham right now. I don't know what to do with so much food. I need another drink though. It's that. Eat.
Try this.
My fish just showed up that I cooked or caught. Oh man, it's getting real. Here's the other half of him right there. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. And I also think on that note, I'm gonna end the vlog right here so I can enjoy my time with the wifey. So until next time, guys, Lee Vlogs out, coming from Tokyo.
That should bring it.